Hi everyone, this video is about the Amazon AWS free online courses with free certificates. 4 courses plus 4 free certificates in the platform of IoT. This course, the duration is around 9.5 hours, which is divided into 4 modules. IoT Foundation Telemetry for 2.5 hours, IoT Foundation Command Control for 2 hours, IoT Foundation Introduction to Fleet Management for 3 hours, IoT Foundation Predictive Maintenance for 2 hours. Totally, the time duration is 9 hours. So as you complete each modules, you will be receiving the certificate. Okay, to receive the certificate, you just have to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be directed to a page like this. So you can, if you want to join as via APN pattern control, you can just click on here. I recommend you to go inside this all regions and click on sign in. Once you have done that, you will come to this page. If you have a login ID with username and password, you can go through this way, or else you can just click on sign in and you will be coming to this page to create an account. You just create an account for enrolling into the course. Okay, so once you have done this, okay, you can come back to this page. After successful of sign in, you can come to the IoT Foundation Telemetry. Just click on in this particular module. Okay, so you will be directed in this page, and you have to, you can also check the course outline. So even this module, inside it has around 7 modules. So after completion of 7 modules, okay, you will be getting a certificate. And to launch this certificate or to launch this course, you just have to click here so that the course gets launched. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel 3D Multimedia.